Hello, and welcome back to Crash Course Trigonometry, where I try to get a basic understanding of trig into your head before you go to class or use it later in your life. So today we're going over the unit circle, and I know I have it drawn behind me and it looks insane, but it is a really useful tool, and it's good to know and memorize if you can, because, honestly, a lot of teachers require that you memorize it, and these are the most common angles. So here's our unit circle. And it basically states all of the points and what angles that they're at from one unit from the center. So this circle has a radius of 1. So this is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, just straight lines, and it makes a circle. And basically, you can use it at any time to figure out how many radians are at an angle, like how much theta to radians, degrees to radians really fast, or it can help you find the cosine of an angle or a sine of an angle really fast. So if you need, the sine of 45, then sine would be right here, square root 2 over 2. And there's an easy way to use this circle, and I'll tell you now. You just have to remember that cosine is x and sine is y. So sine is always how high an object is, and cosine is just the x, the horizontal position of that point. So xy on the unit circle would be cosine of theta over sine of theta. So what does that mean? If I bring the circle back, if we're trying to find, the cosine of 11 pi 6, who knows that? You can look, it's the x-coordinate of this point, it's square root 3 over 2. Or what is the sine of 135? It would be the y-coordinate of 135, which is square root 2 over 2. Or how many radians is 60 degrees? Well, it's pi thirds radians. So you can really just, I know it looks like a lot, but it is really just a tool to look at and easily convert things and find the answers that you need. So, I'm going to step back, take a picture of it. If you can't take a picture of it, Google it, because it's all over Google. You just Google unit circle, and, it has all the radians, all the degrees, and all the points at 1 unit away from the origin. So that is the basics of the unit circle, and I hope you enjoyed.